Hello, I'm Anushri Chakravarti from MBA 24043. Today, I'll be presenting my research on the role of HR operations in employee satisfaction and retention, a topic that highlights how human resource practices directly impact the overall health and stability of an organization. This research focuses on how HR operation, which include daily administrative and strategic activities, influences employee experience, job satisfaction, and retention. Efficient HR processes create a positive workplace culture, fair system, and higher engagement, leading to reduced turnover. The main goal of this research are to understand the core function of HR operation, to explore the link between HR practices and employee satisfaction, to identify key factors that influence retention, and to suggest improvement in HR strategies for better outcome. This study follows a descriptive research design. Data was collected through primary sources and the secondary sources. The research produces some key findings. Effective onboarding improves early engagement and reduces turnover by 58%. Employee centric policies like flexible hours and health benefits are major satisfaction drivers. Transparent communication build trust. Career development support through training boost retention. Recognition and reward significantly enhance employee loyalty. There were some limitations to the research. It's challenging to balance standardized policies with personalized needs. Budget constraints limit the reach of HR initiative. Inaccurate or unused data can affect decision making. Some HR approaches are reactive instead of proactive. On Over dependence on technology can reduce human connection. Based on the findings, these strategies are recommended. Implement structure onboarding to engage new hires, maintain transparent communication to build trust, ensure timely payroll and benefits to show employee value, develop performance management system that recognize achievement, establish regular feedback mechanism, promote work-life balance to prevent burnouts. In the conclusion, strategic operations are vital for building a positive work environment that encourages satisfaction and retention. Key HR functions like onboarding, training, performance management, and feedback have a direct impact on employee engagement. When the data is used effectively, HR can become a proactive force that supports both people and business goals. This research is supported by key texts and reports including Gary Desert's Human Resource Management, Armstrong's HR Handbook, SHRM, and Harvard Business Review studies on engagement and retention, CIPD's Employee Retention Fasting. Sample questions used in the questionnaire covered areas like HR operations, onboarding, policy clarity and support, job satisfaction, recognition and work life, retention intention, plan to stay, and reason for leaving. Thank you.